Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix smartphone or tablet encryption errors, including encryption failures and recovery key issues. This guide is split between Android and iOS devices. General causes of encryption errors: incomplete or corrupted encryption process, OS-level bugs or outdated firmware, unsupported storage media, missing recovery keys, rooted devices interfering. For Android devices, fixing failed encryption process. Step 1. Check battery and storage. Charge the device to at least 80%. Ensure at least 1-2 GB free space is available. Step 2. Boot into safe mode. Press and hold power button. Tap and hold power off. Tap OK when prompted to boot into safe mode. Step 3. Clear cache partition via recovery mode. Power off the device. Hold power plus volume up plus home, varies by brand. To enter recovery mode, use volume buttons to highlight wipe cache partition, then press power to confirm reboot after clearing cache. Step 4. Retry encryption. Go to Settings, Security, Encrypt phone, tablet. Follow prompts to retry. If encryption fails again, it may be a firmware or hardware issue. B. Fixing recovery key or password issues, Android. Step 1. Confirm Google account access. Ensure you can log in to the associated Google account used for backup recovery. Step 2. Attempt smart lock. Unlock if previously enabled. Go to a trusted location or use a trusted Bluetooth device to bypass the lock. Step 3. Use Android Device Manager, Find My Device. Visit https://google.com/android/find login with Google account. Use Erase Device if data recovery isn't critical. This removes encryption and resets the phone. Step 4. Factory reset via recovery mode if all else fails. Enter recovery mode, power plus volume up plus home. Select wipe data, factory reset, confirm and reboot. For iOS devices, iPhone, iPad. iOS encrypts devices automatically when a passcode is set. Fixing encryption-related errors. Step 1. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates. They often fix encryption bugs. Step 2. Check passcode settings. Make sure a passcode is enabled. Settings, Face ID and passcode, Touch ID and passcode. Step 3. Restart and reset settings. Restart the device. If issues persist. Settings, General, Transfer or reset iPhone. Reset. Reset all settings, does not delete personal data. B. Fixing iTunes iCloud recovery. Key issues. If using advanced data protection or encrypted backups. Step 1. Check recovery key for iCloud. Log in at https://applet.apple.com. Go to Sign In and Security. Account recovery. Manage recovery. Key. Step 2. For iTunes encrypted backup errors. Use the correct encryption password. If forgotten, delete the old backup. iTunes. Preferences. Devices. Delete backup. Then create a new encrypted backup. Step 3. DFU restore. If device is locked or corrupted. Connect iPhone to computer. Enter DFU mode. Button combination varies by model. Use iTunes or Finder to restore and update. All data is erased unless previously backed up. Tips for prevention. Always use a strong passcode. Keep OS and apps up to date. Avoid rooting, jailbreaking the device. Regularly back up your data, Google Drive, iCloud. Save recovery keys in a secure password manager.